When did you last increase your prices? If you're like many business owners, you might say, well, it's been quite a long time since I did that. If that's you, don't worry, you're in the majority. But perhaps you said, well, yeah, I did do that recently. It'd be interesting to know what you observed. What we find from many of our clients is when they do increase their prices, there's little, if any, pushback from their customers. And those customers who do leave because of a price increase are often the sort of customers that perhaps you wanted to lose in the first place. This video is all about why pricing is the key to your profit margins. So let's define what profit margins are. There are two important numbers to consider here. The first one is your gross profit margin, otherwise known as gross profit percentage. How you calculate that is you start with your sales, and then you deduct from sales all of your direct costs. Some of those might be labor, some could be materials. These are the costs involved in producing what it is that you sell. Once you've deducted that number from sales, that leaves you with your gross profit. And then you divide that number into the sales to give you your gross profit percentage. The other important key performance indicator is your net profit percentage. So this time you start with your gross profit, which we just calculated, and deduct all of the other expenses in your business to give you your net profit. Then take your net profit and divide that into your sales, and that gives you your net profit percentage. So now we understand the terminology, let's think about what impacts on those key performance indicators. Pricing is critically important, and an important component of pricing is how much you give away every time you make a sale, otherwise known as discounts. In many businesses, discounting is not covered by a strong policy. And what that means is salespeople can give away too much in order to close a sale. So do you know the extent to which your sales team are giving away discounts? Is there a policy there? Is it consistent? Does one person give a 10% discount where somebody else gives a 15% discount? That can make a big difference. Do this simple calculation for your business. Take the total sales in your business again, and this time divide that number by 100. Now, every time you can improve your gross profit percentage by just 1%, the resulting number will drop straight to the bottom line. Let me illustrate that by way of an example. Imagine your sales are 1 million. Divide that by 100, that gives you 10,000. Every 1% increase in your gross profit percentage will drop 10,000 to your bottom line. That's straight to your profit. That's more money you can take out of your business. That's worth doing something about. Because of our strength in numbers, we can help you in this area. We can look at each product and the profit margins you're achieving on those products. We can also look at your discounting policy and ensure that there is policy around that and that you're not losing sales revenue as a result of people abusing those policies. What we can also do is take a look at your results against others in your industry. And we'll make some recommendations that make sense for your business to help you improve your profit margins. If this is of interest to you, please get in touch and we'd be delighted to have a conversation with you around how pricing can help you improve your profit margins.